What is going on, my YouTube friends? So I started getting the bigger ones. I got down at the bottom, and then I'm done. I put a piece in there, it was a little too tight, and I tried to force it like an idiot, and it broke. But you know what? It is what it is. Let's turn this around, see what I got done. So I started doing the 20 and a half pieces, and I got pretty close to the end, and that one's a shorter, you know, because that's 30 foot. It always works out 40 foot because it's even. But anyhow, I was doing that last piece down there, and I shoved it, and I broke it, and I'm done. But hey, it is what it is. But it's coming together slowly but surely. So basically is what I'm gonna do. If I can get a chance to get out here tomorrow, I'm going to mock up like I did the center of the purlins there. I'm gonna mock it up, and then I'm going to just cut a bunch and go to work. If I'd have been smart, I'd have pulled that one out and just trimmed it a little bit and then put it back in there. But hey, I never claimed to be smart. But anyhow, things are starting to come together a little bit. You know, once I get this bottom done, then we'll start working up. But yeah. And it's kind of funny because I was just kind of, you know, storing the ones I got up in there. So if I was smart, I'd probably just take those three and put those down there where I broke that one. And I might just do that, because they'll fit in there just fine, man. I mean, they fit. It's a good fit right there. That's the three left over from the cuts, you know, and they're 7 inches. So yeah, I might just put those three right there at the top. I'm sure you can see them, but those three right there, I might just take and just run those down there and put them down there. You know what I'm saying? Because I already screwed up a board. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I've been out here a couple hours every night. I want to get this done. I want to get the electrical done. I want to get the OSB up. I want to get the Fairmont in here. I want to start getting some car stuff going, baby. But actually, to be honest with you, I'm kind of enjoying this, man. You know what I'm saying? If it wasn't for the heat, I'd come out here a little earlier. But I had to let that heat come down a little bit, man, because, you know, I sweat like yeah. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. You have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy.